Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the world of Slack and learning how to create an organizational structure. We kick off with the first step, which is to create channels. You do this by clicking on the plus sign next to channels. You can name your channel according to the team or project it represents. The reason we do this is to segment conversations and keep them relevant to the specific teams or projects. Now that we've created channels, let's add members to them. You can do this by clicking on the channel name, then Add People. Here, type the names or emails of the people you want to add to the channel. This helps us because it ensures the right people are present in the right conversations, fostering better collaboration and communication. Next up, we're going to set user roles. Go to Workspace Settings, then Permissions and User Management. Here, you can assign people to be owners, admins, members, or guests. The reason we do this is to delegate responsibilities and control who can do what in the workspace. Now let's create user groups. Go to User Groups under Workspace Settings. User groups are handy to message multiple people at once or set specific permissions. For example, you could create a marketing group for your marketing team. This helps us because it streamlines communication and administrative tasks. The last step is about channel permissions. Back in Workspace Settings, go to Channel Management. Here, you can control who can create or archive channels or who can post in certain channels. This helps us because it avoids unnecessary clutter and keeps discussions focused. And that's it. You've now set up an organized workspace in Slack, designed to streamline your team's communication and collaboration. Remember, a well-structured Slack environment can greatly enhance productivity and reduce confusion. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.